me, DIY Guy, and today we're not doing a tool review. Today we're going to be reviewing some LED lights, because I have a thing for LED lights. I put LED lights wherever I can. In my bedroom, in my shed, wherever I can, I've got LED lights. And these are by Govee. That's why this week, this is called Groovy Thursday. No pun intended. These are the Wi-Fi RGB LED strip lights by Govee. The model number for these ones, I don't know whether you're going to be able to see this, is H6141. They have many models of lights, Govee. They're the only brand of strip lights that I will buy now. This is my third set. I am totally hooked. I will only buy Govee from now on. When I first bought them, I was making a lamp and I cut the connection and I had trouble rewriting it because it doesn't go in colour order, which I will show later on. So should we get these out of the box? Let's do it. If we can open the box. I have already been inside. Oh, look at that rookie mistake. Anyway, junk, don't need that rubbish. Who reads instructions? Sorry folks, you should always read instructions. Here we have the roll of the LED strip. Get a wee close up of that. That is nice. And the 3M tape on the back. I love how they come. Folks, just a reminder, never ever plug these in and power them on while they're rolled up. It won't do them any good and they can get warm and catch fire. I know it says it on the label, but I just want to reinstate that. I think that's very important. I'm all about safety with electrics, me. Something I follow very carefully. In the box we have the plug. Freaking plug, nothing special. Connector, you know the drill. And we have the main piece that controls it. On these ones, on my last ones, they weren't actually connected. You had a push connector to connect them together to the strip, but these have come already wired together. Now what I had done on the previous set, or the first set I bought, I had cut these and I wanted to join small strips together. And then I wanted to put this piece back on, and I had them wired up with the colours matching these, I thought, but I was wrong. Doesn't go that way. So if you're going to cut these, make sure you take note in which way the wires go. We also have the sticky bits in there for mounting them. I normally just use hot glue, but you could use those, they probably work. And the thing I didn't get in my last two sets, on this one, it's nice to see, a remote. Still in the packet. Don't plan on using it because I always use these with my phone or my Alexa. I find my phone or Alexa works quite well. The Govee app is amazing, very easy to set up, connects nice and quickly. Not a problem. What else? I suppose we could unravel them and plug them in for you. And try out the remote. As I can't use my phone is because I'm recording on it. As I was about to try, but sure. Unreeled. Please folks, do unravel them before you plug them in. I think it's very important. Undo this cable. You don't need to see that. Plug them in the wall. Plug this in here. Nice and easy. Oh, there's a nice flash. Red, get those out of the way. You don't need to look at those. Just sticky bits. We'll take the remote out of the packet, shall we? There we go. Remember to pull out the plastic bit or the remote won't work. Now then, if we press the power button. Oh. Oh. Okay. Well, that's a fail, huh? Oh, there we go. Might help if they're plugged in properly. Let's try red. Whoa. Green. Blue. Change. Pink. There we go. Hold on a second, folks. Let's turn out the lights here. Wow. There we are. They are super bright. And on this remote you can dim them. I believe this one. I know you can't see, but it's better effects. You can dim them, brighten them. This one changes the colour, and you can go back. I believe, hold on 1 second folks, let's come around so I can see. Put these lights back on. There we go. Let's see, what have we got? We got mode, oh. Now they're flashing. Look at that, in my bright shed, and they are still bright as heck. I've got 12 LED lights in the ceiling and they still shine nice and bright. See another mode. It's like fade. Excuse me. Jeez. And another one. It's a quick flash. And we're back to just red. Also, when they're on flash, you can slow it down. You can speed it up. If you're having a rave or a party, going a bit too fast. Very cool. What does this button do? Oh, it pauses. This one? Auto. Very cool. I think these lights by Govee are some of the best on the market. They're not overly expensive, but they're not cheap either. There's the remote. If you're like me and you buy these and you don't keep them and you cut them up, like I plan to cut these up and put them in a project, I would recommend buying some cable for them. We'll let them flash. I would recommend buying a roll of this 4-stranded 22 gauge cable. It's got the 4 strands in the right colours for when you want, if you cut them at the cut points, and then you can solder the wires onto each individual and extend them or whatever you need to do, you know. Very easy to cut. They stick very well. Definitely pick yourself up some of that wire. I got that on Amazon. Not very expensive at all. We've got the controls on here. I think it's this one or this. No, you have to hold the power button until they start flashing to connect them. Very easy to connect. That's really it. Not very good at this yet, am I? Anyway folks, I think I'm going to leave it at that for this one. Definitely, if you're looking for some strip lights to work with Alexa or internet, definitely check out Govee. I think one of the best LEDs I've bought in ages is these. I recommend them to anyone. This is not sponsored by Govee whatsoever. They probably have no idea I'm making this, probably never see it, but I don't care, I support them. Alright folks, thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.